When you put a paper trade on, how would you know it was a paper trade? So the first thing, let me show you here, and back to the dashboard. Paper trading are kept in a little separate category. It's like almost like a little built-in account, I suppose. So if I go to a proposed trade on the orders tab here, paper trade, this button, clicking this button, see it says commit as a paper trade at the current prices. That's how you initiate a paper trade. And it simply takes the now current, it actually looks up the latest prices and takes the mid price and commits the trade as if you'd had an opening order for that at that price. And then once you have a trade, and let me go here, and you see one thing is here, this list, if you click on the folder here, this is our trade navigator. It shows the status, and they're even color coded here, live or proposed or paper. So this is a paper trade. So you'll know it's a paper trade. First of all, you can see it on this list. You will see it separately designated on the dashboard, and then on the details tab here, it says paper trade right up here at the top. You go to a live trade, there it's a proposed trade. Let's go to a live one. If it's a live trade, it shows you which account it's in. So that's right here on the details.